Welcome to our comprehensive YouTube tutorial on how to add apps to the Focus Assist priority list in Windows 10. Focus Assist is a fantastic feature that helps you stay focused and minimize distractions while working. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to customize your priority list by adding specific apps. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin, press the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. Now navigate to Settings. You can find the Settings icon in the Start menu or by searching for Settings in the search bar. Step 3. Click or tap on the System icon within the Settings menu. Step 4. Within the System settings, click or tap on Focus Assist in the left side panel. Step 5. On the right side of the screen, you will find the option Customize your priority list. Click or tap on this link. Step 6. To add an app to the priority list, click or tap on Add an app. A list of installed apps on your system will appear. Step 7. Scroll through the list and locate the app you want to add. Once you find it, click or tap on the app to select it. Step 8. Congratulations! You have successfully added the selected app to your Focus Assist priority list. And there you have it. You have now learned how to add apps to the Focus Assist priority list in Windows 10. Customize your workspace and ensure that important apps receive your full attention during focused work sessions. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and enjoy a distraction-free work environment with Windows 10 Focus Assist.